Hello everyone. It's been a very long time to capture the video because I was really busy. Anyway, from today I'm going to start new avatar from CLO3D to Mixamo and Blender, so you can more customize your avatar for the Blender rendering. So, for example, in the CLO3D, still rendering is good, but in terms of a more creative rendering, include lighting setup or a little bit different asset creation, I think a Blender still is good. So let's start. So first of all, you can go to the avatar. This time I'll choose the female too, and then maybe choose one of our character avatar. So maybe I'll try Yuna. So okay, so now the Yuna character, maybe you can choose a little bit different shoes. So for example, you can go on the top here and then you can choose the shoes. So maybe this time I could choose more sneakers style. Okay. And then for hair, I think for this time I don't use the hair, but anyway, maybe you can choose different hairstyle. Hair, maybe short one. Yes, this is much better. Then after that, you can select the avatar. So you can export this avatar. So file, export. Maybe you can select the OBJ or FX, either is fine. So let's try the FX. And then you can choose to save into the somewhere what you want. So Yuna. So from CLO3D, and then Yuna face avatar. Export to all and single object and one word. Just leave like this. Okay, then okay. Okay, now you have to go to the Blender. So now it's Blender, so you can import the FX from the CLO3D. Import folder, FX, select, import. Okay, now you have the avatar from CLO3D. So in here, maybe you don't need the hair, just hide the hair, and then just click the texture. Okay, it's loading. So you can hide the bone for now. So you have the Yuna. So let me try Cyclos. So you can use Yuna for your digital character, but here just ignore. Okay, now go to shading mode then select, then probably you have to select all. Okay, then you can go to file and export the FX, and then now you can go from Blender now avatar to and select the object and no bake animation for this time, then export. Okay, now let's move on to Mixamo. Now it's Mixamo, so from here then you can import the upload character, click, then whatever you can drag on drop, or you can select the file. So from Blender, drag, okay. Now import, then you can go to next. The first of all, you have to select the chin, and then the wrist, and elbow, knee, okay. Use symmetry and then go to next. So it's processing auto rigging, just wait. Okay, so let's see. I don't like the elbow, but okay, let's select some different motion capture. So motion, let's go to next, and then you can search the catwalk. Maybe you can select it in place. Maybe let's select the walking cycle. So in place. So you can see this is a little bit the high heel style, so we need to change it with the flat, the walk cycle. So in place. Okay, so it's much better, but I don't like. Let me find out. Okay, so this one is much better. Then you can change the speed a bit lower. Now 35 frame more is 40 frame, because this is also you need to consider the rendering time frame. So if you a little bit more slow down, the rendering frame is increased. Okay, so you need to be careful. So my maybe 40, I think is good. And then also you need to consider the arm space. Okay, so this is a character arm space. For the better simulation, you need to have a little bit space. Okay, I think it's much better. Then you can download. Click download. The FX 30 frame with the skin, keyframe reduction, none, and download. Then you can download the file. Then let's move on to the Blender again. Now it's Blender, so you need to import the download file from Mixamo. So mostly you can find out from the download folder. So just drag. So file, import, FX, and then you can go to download. Maybe this one today. Import. Okay. Now you have the animation file, so you can try playing. So the working cycle from 1 to 41. So you can change end frame 41. Then the play. So you can see the working cycle. Now we need to prepare export to CLO3D. Okay, so stop. Go to first frame. Then hide the armature. So select everything. And file, export, OBJ. So you can save to your folder, make from Blender to CLO3D. Select the only, and you can type 1 frame. Okay, and export OBJ. Okay, now you have to unhide armature and select armature and go to the object data, object the property, select, and then here is a pose position and then reset position. So when you click the reset position, the pose is going to the A pose. Okay, then unhide armature and select all, and file, export OBJ. Now you can call A pose. Okay, and then you need to select the pose position again. Now you have to export LMBF for animation file. So this is same, align armature, and select all, and then file, export the alembic. Here to cloth, Luna, motion, and then you don't need to export the hair and particle, and okay, then export. Okay, so let's go to CLO3D and check all the data is correct or not. So now CLO3D again, so you can import first a pose first, OBJ, drag and drop, and then open Varta and scale meter, then you can select just OK, and then loading OBJ. Okay, so now you have the Yuna here. So then let's quickly check the t-shirts. Click t-shirts, and then all good. Then let's increase particle distance. Wait. Play again. Okay, so let's import the morph target for the one frame. So now, first of all, before import, you need to save as a project, maybe you know. Then you can just drag and drop for one frame here, and then you can select add, load type, and then object type, the morph target, then OK. So now let's move on to one frame simulation. So it's all okay. Then let's import animation file. So select avatar and select the keyboard. Then you can drag and drop the alembic, the motion file. Drag. Okay. Now import the alembic, and then just simulation on time again, just check all simulation, then go to the animation. So now you have all the animation, so let's start animation stable and simulation. So you can see all the simulation is correct. So let's wait. Okay, then let's play. So yes, all the working animation is correct, or there are no issue. Okay, so this is how we can use the CLO3D avatar to Blender using the Mixamo, the animation. So as I mentioned, in the CLO3D, still rendering is good quality, but if you want to create a more creative way with a lot of things, the Blender is still okay. I mean, still more better than CLO3D. So I think you can use this way to make more better creative in Blender. So next tutorial also I will showing how to creating the garment from CLO3D using the Yuna avatar, and then also I will show you how to create best 3D environment, studio environment in the Blender 3D. Okay, see you next time.